Let's talk about classes. Classes are basically like enclosures. For example, look at a house. A house has different things inside of it, right? It has the chairs, it has the beds, it has the people, but everything that is inside the class has its own unique properties that differentiate it from another property. But everything in a house has like global features that are common to everything. Everything in a house has a name, has, for example, like a price that doesn't go for the people, has, for example, the material, everything you get. So in Java, to define a class, you use the keyword called class with a small c. That is a class. And every name in Java must start with a capital letter, right? With curly braces. So everything that is going to be inside here is going to be part of the class. The class starts from this opening curly brace and ends from that closing curly brace. So that's basically a class. But make things prettier, in Java, the entry point of any Java class is a main method. Get so we have to have a main method to run public static void main. Let me write this very quickly. So this is my main method. So this is a class. The class is finished. But if I want to print like a hello world, I can use a print statement, which is system, starting with a capital S, system dot out dot print. If I want it to print on a new line, I can use print line, then double quotes. In Java, we use double quotes. It's not like in Python where we can use double and sync. In Java, we use double quotes. It's a must. No beginning, no nothing. Then you can say hello world. And every statement in Java must end with a semicolon. You can go ahead and save that and then run it. So basically, all you have to know, it starts with a class keyword, which is in small, or it has already given me a result. Hello world. That's a class. Get that? That's a class. So let's talk about objects. Objects are created in a class. You get? So as I said that, for example, if we have okay, we are talking about animals here. Every animal has its own unique properties. For example, every animal has a name, which is of type string. Also, every animal has age, right? That's all? Yeah. Every animal has age. So what's the use of objects? And how do we create objects? Let me come here in my main method. To create an object, you're going to use the name of the class, which is animal. Then I give the object name next. Let me say cat equals to new animal. I've created an object. I'm saying in animal, there is a cat that is a specific instance of the class, right? So I can also say create another object using the same syntax that you start with the class name, then the name of the object, let me say dog equals to, oh, sorry, animal. That is a second object. So if I want to give them their values, I'm going to use the object, right? That is cat dot using a dot operator, then name. I'm trying to define name in terms of the cat, right? I can give it a name called Whiskey or Whisker or anything, semicolon. And I can also use the cat object to define the age. Let me say it is 2 years old. Get that? And I can also use the dog object to define the name again, but in terms of the dog object. Right? I can say this is called dog. then I can also use that and get the age of the dog. I can say 3. So if I want to print this, and let me just copy this. Be that. So I'm going to print the cat name, right? And its age. Sorry. And its age, which is cat dot age. Then I come here and also print the dog name, right? Plus its age. When I run this, it will give me the results. So basically here, I'm defining all these new objects according to their different specific properties, but using the same variables. Thank you very much. I hope this helped you out.